Hello guys, welcome back to OBAAPA channel. Today we are coming to prepare Ghana authentic food for you guys. Have the guest who is coming to prepare the food for us here today. So guys, let's help me and welcome our sweet sister, my sister, a friend and a colleague. Yeah, so let's welcome Oba. So today Oba is here to prepare something delicious for us. So let's ask Oba what she has today to prepare for us.
We are coming to prepare, a top.
Okay.
We formally call it a top. Which our local food.
Okay.
We have our plantain here, our nkati ayayam, pepper, salted fish, onion, groundnut, pear, palm oil, egg, and the salt. At long last, our food be here.
Now guys, let's get started with our authentic eto. So stay.
That's right.
Yeah. Guys, now you can see the way Madam is peeling the plantain. Down here in Ghana, they say you enjoy your body. No you baby kakra bi no yi. No papa. So this is the way we are doing the eto.
Now we are putting in our pepper.
Okay, the reason why I tell what you say very soft for the woman to be able to ground it. So now, about what are you going to put on it again?
Our egg.
Okay. So now, Oba is putting in the eggs, our eggs. Are you not going to add salt?
No, it's not needed.
The salt is not needed.
Pepper and onion. I add the salt to it.
Oh, okay. So you add the salt to the pepper when it is time for her to ground the pepper. Then you add the salt to it. Okay, today, dear, we are doing it in the local way. You can see that we have our coal pot here, and then you can see the charcoal inside the coal pot, and we have fire here. So, in the authentic Ghanaian way. So guys, stay tuned. We will be right back and wait for 10 minutes for the food to be well cooked. So we will be right back.
It is so good cooking. The survey and channel the bit near free mokakani at me.
Sir, it is a one time woman so here and chili basically size are bench in one. So there, if you are any one, may you pop in to survey and being a child. Oh, okay. So, guys, it is very important for you to soak the kobe on water for a while so that all the salt that is in it can come out for us to take, for it to taste good.
Yes,
it's not what you say. Yeah, that's the reason why. Yeah.
So, say I dear pop in it. Survey, I am an in your paternity. I can't cry, baby. I can't corner big. So I'm ready. I think the food, okay. See, baby, every sort. But to offer the ye be treat on Casano. A bay in one, Madame, I don't have a bomb and to many better one.
Okay,
now you go, ma'am.
Oh, I can see. So guys, you see the way this woman has ground this eto on akotoyoa, and they are very serious. You see how he's removing the plantain, the ground plantain from the akotoyoa and putting it in the bowl. See the way the oil, the palm oil, and then the plantain has mixed together. Oh, it's very serious. It's true. I'm grounding the pepper. It's pepper. Anything I'm doing.
Maybe I'll be doing in that morning.
Oh, okay.
I'm not to my mom in there to me. No,
it's my one of the ways is saying to 2 days. So, be who say to 2 money. Wow. Hey, money, this money, hey, papa.
Papa, so no, you are not my own.
I said, who's
the plan, Cassam?
you're toy in me, you bring you. They said, if you have me, you'll be out, but you're committing me. Hey, you're toy here. You're committing me.
If you are not the median and every.
What you want for Jenny and Woman, then never see. Won't it taste? Oh, okay. Wow. Hey, it's wicked and chill up, and chill up the bay and jam. And jam, some of them be a wood body and no. Ah, oh, okay. Wow. See the smoke coming out from the salted fish. Wow. It's very good. Wow. It's the same. I think said the salted fish is okay. So should I put it inside?
Ah, yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's shimmy. Hey! Next, I said, we are bring a fabric.
A granite paste.
Oh, okay. Wow. So, guys, we can see the granite paste here, and now he's coming to add the granite paste to the ground pepper. It's me found too. Hey, wow. It is a wow.
So I know we're crying and cutting at China. No, she normal, but we use to win that. And the common woman to me, this it's most a wood yet.
So when you were then over your tunnel was over the day.
Let the Afra.
Oh, that's your Friday watching.
My search.
What's your chimney? And I said it's already you. What can
you submit the Afra? I need an Afra.
So we're joining them together, and I said, Afra Bibi. Wow. So guys, you can see the way this woman has prepared this at all. Even we really want to start here to come because they are never there, Casa. Very
say maybe I said, me body and I don't know. I'm quite with it. So we are not matching.
Wow. Put him. That's what they are Afra.
I'm the Afra, me 2.5 of good. We are not the other half never cannot do any switch.
Afra. Oh, I see. Wow. Hey, yeah. It's the same, what makes it pepper, onion, and salted fish. No one mixes them together with the pasted granules. So, I would Afra. I'm a Vivian mix it come on 2 but it's yes, you're not for second one. Oh, I see. I need it. What to movie and some affection. Guys, you see the way this woman has prepared this authentic Ghanaian etwa. I am very serious. Very serious. Okay, now guys, our authentic Ghanaian etwa is ready. Oba, we are great. Watch me say I'm power you Oba, we free Ghana. So I'll be the one to taste it, or you taste it. I was saying I can. So guys, allow me to taste it first so that I can give you the final results because this is a here. Hey! Wow. Now how about the Kobe? Made it when your Kobe need it. Kobe need it. Whoa. In fact, you know, spoon easy baby. I mean, baby, more be able to say anybody. I'll be with the top. What's the soul for snail?
I'm not next room.
Oh, I saw the pan. But I'm not so. Guys, as for this to be honest and sincere with you, you all have to try. Just like what I said, Apart from OBAAPA'S kitchen, you won't get this recipe from any kitchen. So you want to learn any Ghanaian authentic food, always just subscribe to OBAAPA'S kitchen. That's the place where you are going to get all this local and authentic Ghanaian food from. So guys, stay tuned and wait and watch out for the next episode. Bye bye.
Bye.